Ever wondered why birds can sit on high voltage power lines without getting zapped? Meanwhile, if a human touches it, game over. The secret lies in electricity's favorite rule. It always takes the easiest path to the ground. When a bird perches on a single wire, the electricity has no reason to flow through its body because there's no connection to the ground or another wire with a different voltage. It just keeps moving through the wire. But if a bird touches two wires at once, or a wire and a pole, boom! The current finds a path through its body, leading to a fatal shock. That's why electricians use special equipment and grounding techniques to stay safe, while birds simply rely on good balance and a bit of luck. Subscribe for more amazing science facts.